Hello everyone. Today I'm going to replace drive belts on my Toyota Camry 2011 LE. There is two of them. It's not easy to see two of them, but there is two belt tensioners and two drive belts. It's a little dark inside, but you can see two of them, and I'm gonna do that. What I need is obviously two belts, and I bought them from a Toyota dealership. They are original parts. They found them for me. They gave me also a diagram of belts, how they are positioned, so I'll use that definitely. And at Harbor Freight you can buy this extension pole tool that can be used for easier replacement, and of course tool for the take off the wheel. I am going to take the wheel off because it will be easier for me to work underneath, and to do so I will need to jack it up, take the wheel off, and start to work on changing the belts. Now the wheel is off. I'll need to take these two screws to make better access to the belts. Now we have access to belts from the bottom. It will be easier to work on. On first pulley, I couldn't use my original tool that I wanted. I had to use extension of two branches, 14 millimeters, and then I can pull this down and release it. I will not be able to record it as it's hard without two hands, but that's the idea, to release the pulley and take the belt off. Once I release the pressure from the pulley and took it off first pulley, then it's easy to take it out. Condition is not bad, but it is over 10 years and 86,000 miles, so I'm gonna do it anyway. To do the second one, I'll be able to use my Harbor Freight tool, where I will just release the pulley. You can see how it moves, and take the belt off. Again, condition of it is not so bad. Hard to zoom in, but after all these years I'm buying original. It will be safer to change it. Now I need to put new ones in. First one goes wider belt, and I will not be able to record it, but it will be opposite of taking it off. I will need to do the pulley again with my tool and follow the diagram. This is the diagram, just in case that somebody is replacing the belt and doesn't have it. This is the inner belt or wider belt, and this here is thinner outer belt. So for this one here, we follow this path. Here is tension and goes all the way around, and it will take me some time to do it, but besides the difficulties, it's easy to follow the directions and make sure that they felt in the grooves. So what I did here is went around that bottom pulley, went over, kept my wrench on the pulley, and went all the way around, and then just did align it so I could release the pulley and go over the pulley. That was last step. It's actually not so bad, so we'll see next one. It is very important to make sure that your grooves are in, pulley grooves. I cannot record it, but anybody who is doing this job needs to make sure that it is happened, that grooves are in, like here, and then follow them all around. I tried from the bottom with the 2 wrenches, but it didn't work, so somehow I jammed this Harbor Freight tool, and I'm gonna try from the top. It's giving me some difficult time, but I'm gonna try this way. Okay, this tool helped a lot, and I went all the way around and didn't just go around the pulley and then use this tool, and it worked very well. So it's good all the way around. I cannot show you all the way around when I'm checking did I go in the grooves, but I am pretty sure I did. Without camera I can go all the way around and trace it, and I recommend everyone do that just to make sure that you don't cause more trouble. All is done. All I need to do is put all back, the shield, wheel, jack down, and test it. All is back. All I need to do is start the engine and test it and see how it goes. And looks like all is doing well. Good. Okay, good. Everything is fine. Everything is good. So it was a little scary, but not so difficult. I think that anybody can do it. Get ready your tool, buy original belts, take the wheel off, use the long wrench for tensioners, and be patient. Take your time. If you will have any comments or questions, I'll be more than glad to answer and help you to make easier your job if you decide to do that. If not, thank you for watching, and till next project.